When you have a business, you most likely have a vision of where you want your business to go. If you're like many business owners, you think about your business the majority of your time. You think about the products and services that you offer or that you want to offer. You think about your ideal client. You think about how much money you want to make. And you think about how you want your business to grow. So why does it seem like it's such a challenging process to take all of these thoughts and put them into a written business plan? In today's podcast episode, I'll help you take some simple steps so that you can create a business plan that will solidify your ideas and keep you on track to create the successful business that you've been spending so much of your time thinking about. Getting everything out of your head and on paper will not only help you make sure that you're taking action on all your ideas, but it will help you to see where you may need to make improvements within your business. Whether you're starting a business or side hustle, you're a self-employed individual, a solopreneur, entrepreneur, mompreneur, freelancer, business owner, bookkeeper, or virtual assistant, listen in and make now the time that you finally take the step to write your business plan so that you can stop thinking that it's just another task that you should be doing, that you're unsure about how to get started, afraid of doing it wrong, or anxious about what you need to include. If you're a business owner who wants to take your business to the next level, whether you're starting a business, you're building your business, or you're serious about growing your business, I want to invite you to work with me so that you can meet your goals in the most accelerated, streamlined, and efficient way possible that also aligns with your life and the impact that you want to make with your business. As a CPA, business strategist, and coach, I've created 2 options for you to choose from when you work with me. The first is my Mastering Your Small Business Finances Profit Lab. This is a group program where we have live weekly business meetings and coaching sessions to answer your questions so that you can generate revenues and increase the profit in your business. You can learn more about the Profit Lab by going to financialadventure.com/profit. Or, if you like the idea of working with me on a more private, one-on-one basis, you can schedule a free consultation session where we'll go over where you currently are in your business and where you'd like to see yourself and your business in the future. During this session, we'll begin to map out the steps you need to take to achieve your goals. I'm helping my clients start their businesses, become more profitable, set strategies to move their business forward, and take control of their business and their finances while allowing them the balance and ability to enjoy their personal lives by utilizing business strategy, coaching, mentorship, and support. You can schedule your session today by going to financialadventure.com and clicking on the Work With Me button. By taking action in your business, you'll achieve your goals. By keeping everything simple, you'll avoid confusion and overwhelm. You'll understand your business finances, your next steps, and you'll follow through with the vision that you have for your business. My goal is to help you dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do. You're listening to the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, where we get straight to the point on topics that ultimately affect your bottom line. That's right, as an entrepreneur with a small business, money management, growth, marketing, they all affect your bottom line. I'm your host, Chris Ponick. I'm a certified public accountant, and I've been helping small business owners like you navigate and easily understand these complicated topics for over 25 years. I'm a wife, a mom, a grandmother, and a small business owner myself, so I know your time is valuable. In my free time, I make the best sugar cookies and have mastered an amazing chocolate chip cookie recipe. And that's not just my opinion. You're in the right place. I promise your time will be well spent here. Each week, you'll gain confidence and clarity while making a successful impact on your business and grow your bottom line. Get comfy, grab a cookie, and let's get straight to the point with this week's episode. Welcome back. Whether you're just starting your business or side hustle, or you've been an experienced business owner for a while, you've undoubtedly heard at some point in time that you need to create a business plan. Just the words business plan make business owners feel their anxiety take over them. The first thing that I want you to know is that there is no reason you need to worry or feel overwhelmed when you write a business plan for your business. If you've felt this way in the past, I want you to take a deep breath and tell yourself that creating a business plan can be easy. For many of my clients, I tell them it is truly simply taking all of the thoughts that they have about their business and writing them down so they can see everything in one place. The second thing that I want you to be aware of is that your business plan is not going to be something that you write once and never make any adjustments again. It will not be written in stone, and you can make changes to it as your business pivots or as you come up with new ideas. This thought alone should help the majority of you who are afraid of getting started on your business plan because you feel like everything has to be perfect from the start. Your business plan will reveal not only your current vision of your business, but it will also list your short-term and your long-term goals, which will help you to see how your business will do financially. When you start working through your business plan, you'll quickly start seeing just how profitable your business could be, or if you notice your profits are not where you want them to be, you'll be able to quickly make changes to your business plan so that you can generate the profits that you intend to see. Your business plan will be broken down into 6 simple sections, and each section will contain information about you as the business owner and your business. We'll start with the first section, which is the executive summary. Although I'm going to talk about this section first, many business owners feel that this section is the easiest to prepare after they go through all of the other sections. Your executive summary section is a summary of your business. It should be relatively short, but direct and to the point. You'll want to be able to list the facts of your business and give the highlights of your detailed business plan. The following section will be about your business. In this section, you'll write about the specifics of your business. You'll include information such as your business name, address, owners, and employees, as well as the objectives of your business. This is where you can include your short-term and your long-term goals. Next, you'll write about your products and your services. Here you'll expand on what you offer in your business, as well as your pricing structure, who your ideal customer is, and how your products or services will benefit them. Your market research, marketing, and your sales will be the next area that you cover in your business plan. In this section, you'll explain your approach to your business, how your products or services fit in the existing marketplace, how you differentiate your products or services from the rest of the market, or how you're filling a gap or a need that currently exists. The next section will be all about your financial analysis. Don't let this area scare you. If you've been listening to this podcast, you already know what you need to do to master your small business finances. When you're creating your financial plans, you want to create a budget if you don't already have actual financial data. Or if you do already have financial data, you can use this information. You'll want to include your profit and loss or your income statement, as well as your balance sheet information for the current year, as well as past years. And lastly, you'll want to create your financial projections, or how you realistically see the future of your business financially. You can break this information down by month, quarter, or year. You can list the sales that you're projecting as well as your costs to show what your projected profits will be in the future. I know forecasting your financial information may seem overwhelming, but the key to having reliable projections is to keep your information as realistic as you can. You can also include an appendix with all of the information that you have or any attachments that would support these areas of your business plan. This appendix may consist of legal documents, licenses, or even contracts. That's it, the 6 areas you should cover in your business plan. Getting all of your ideas out of your head and into your business plan is essential for your business. And it doesn't matter if you're all in with your business or if you're just starting with a side hustle. Whenever you have any sort of business, your business plan is something you should get started as soon as you can. And once you have written your first draft, take time each year to review it and make any necessary changes so that it's as accurate as possible. Your business plan will help you define your thoughts about your business currently, as well as how you want your business to grow in the future. Not only will it help you expand your vision, but you'll be able to utilize each area as a roadmap to establish the exact steps for getting to your ultimate destination with your business. So are you ready to cross off writing a business plan from your to-do list? I've created a business plan template that walks you through each section of the business plan that I covered today. And it asks simple, straight-to-the-point questions for you to answer. As you answer each question, you're essentially creating your business plan. Yes, it can be that easy. When I work with my clients, they have their bookkeeping up to date, understand their financial statements, and are able to see exactly how profitable their business or side hustle is. We work together to see their best options for generating additional sales, as well as where they could cut back on expenses or utilize the best solutions for their business. They can see the possibilities that are available to them so that they can create a successful and profitable business. They ask questions that are holding them back and get answers when they need them. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or business, or you're already making money with your existing business, I'd love for you to have these results and experience the same benefits when you work with me. Imagine having a system in place where you spend less time buried in paperwork and more time doing what you love. That's where I help my clients. They're able to have proper processes in place, understand why they're following through with these processes, and they have more peace of mind when it comes to their business. Striking a balance between the demands of running a business and maintaining a fulfilling personal life is an art. It's about creating an environment where you can thrive and support the lifestyle you want. By being proactive and setting up efficient processes, you can ensure a smoother, more enjoyable year-end, and you'll be prepared to file any necessary filings with the IRS. By working with me, you'll change more than just your bookkeeping processes. Like many of the clients I've worked with, you'll go from not knowing how to get through all the stressful situations or being unprepared to being totally in control of exactly what you're choosing to get done at the time you want to have it accomplished by, all while knowing you're doing enough and you're able to enjoy your business and your personal life. I help clients just like you with strategy, mentorship, and coaching. When you work with me, you'll show up much more differently than you do today. And after all, this is ultimately what you want in your life, right? Come and join me. When I work with clients throughout the year, they're able to reduce their stress and overwhelm, understand how to master their small business finances, develop solutions to grow their bottom line, and create a work-life balance that they truly enjoy. I encourage you to take the next step by signing up for a free consultation where I'm going to teach you the first step in my process so that you can eliminate stress, overwhelm, or overworking in your professional or your personal life, while you continue to get done what matters so that you can live your life with joy, purpose, and a more fulfilled life. Feel free to reach out to me with any questions you have. I'd love to help you on this journey. You can schedule your free consultation or sign up for a coaching session today at financialadventure.com. As a certified public accountant and certified life coach, I can help you set goals and develop a plan that will allow you to lead a happier and more sustainable life in your business, your career, or your personal life. I'm here to guide you through the financial aspects of your business, as well as help you focus on the strategies that you need to follow to reach the success that you want to achieve in your professional or personal life, and stay committed so that you can continue to keep pushing forward and relieve the stress, anxiety, and overwhelm that you're currently feeling. Having an accountant and certified life coach like me can provide you with valuable insights and ideas to help you simplify your life, which enables you to go back to enjoying your professional and your personal life. I work with business owners, accountants, and other financial professionals to create the actionable steps that they need to take to ultimately achieve their goals, while getting relief from the stress and overwhelm they feel from the pressure of owning a business, deadlines, and the workload they face every day. If you're struggling with this as well and would like some help developing a solution, help strengthen and maintain your emotional health, increase your well-being, create a more positive, happy, and joyful life, set and achieve your goals, and manage your relationships, you can go to financialadventure.com and click on the Work With Me button. Sign up now. I help people get results and live a more joyful life. I know there's something that you want in your life, and I can help you get it. Are you ready to enjoy your life now? Why would you want to wait? Are you ready to make bigger, bolder, stronger life goals? I'm looking forward to meeting with you soon and digging deeper to see where you currently are in your business or your career, and start creating actionable steps so that you can reach your vision and your goals for the future, not only in your business or your career, but also in your personal life. I'm ready to work with you, see all of your successes, and watch you thrive in your business or your career while creating your best work-life balance. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners and accountants where you're listening to this podcast. And you know I'm going to ask, what's at least one thing that you'll take away from this episode that will help your business succeed and grow your bottom line? If you need some accountability, join our private Facebook community and post your action item. We'd love to support you. Thanks for taking the time to tune into this episode of Mastering Your Small Business Finances. If you enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed creating it for you, I'd love for you to give it a 5-star rating and subscribe to the show so you never miss an episode. Visit financialadventure.com for the show notes, links from this episode, and while you're there, leave a comment if you have a topic you're interested in learning more about that affects your bottom line. If you're looking for a community where you can ask questions and get feedback about your small business, join my private Facebook group. You can find the links to this group and more on financialadventure.com. And remember, any financial information shared on this podcast is not to be considered professional, financial, or tax advice and should not be solely relied upon. Please consult your CPA or tax advisor for an opinion on your specific circumstances. I'm looking forward to having you tune in next time. Until then, dream big, follow your heart, and love what you do.